Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is super overdue, but it's better late than never. So this video is going to be how I create my high puffs and different things that you can use to create your high puffs. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I'm gonna start with my number one thing that I always use, that's just always there for me, and it's the best ever. My stretchy headbands that come already stretched and they do not hurt when I put them in. Listen, 2 in a pack for 88 cents at Walmart. Go to Walmart, they got you. 2 for 88 cents. You can't beat that. Get 50 of them, okay? Just get them. Always like a whole rack of them whenever I go, and I'm just like, nobody noticed these. They're kind of like in the middle of everything, so you really just got to be paying attention. I think they try to do that on purpose so you really can't see it, but I don't know. Go to Walmart, get you some, get your life. So this is how I do it. I have one in right now, and my hair is just automatically just up like this because I didn't wear it in a puff all day. But just take my headband, you see how big it is? And I put it over my head to where I want it to be in the back. In the front, it's so stretchy. You see, it's so stretchy. Cross it over, put it over, and it's not moving, so it's not sliding or anything. I know that's a problem too because they tend to slide. This does not, and boom. But I'm just gonna shape it a little bit more. Take my pick, and this is how I make my puffs really high. I pick in the middle and just like pull my hair up, if that makes sense. So bam. That's how I do my number one. Also, I know this is not a high puff thing kind of, but it is kind of like a high bun. But this is something else that I do with the stretchy ones. So I just take this in the back and I pull it. I just pull it like this, and of course my puff is getting smaller, so if you just wanted to wrap it around again, you'll have like a small puff like this. But I cross it in the back. I'm just crossing it, and then I bring it over like this, and this is like for the days where my puff is just not cooperating, and I make a little bun like that. And it's another one of my favorite hairstyles that I do. It's just really simple, but that's how I achieve like a really small bun at the top of my head. If y'all didn't know how to do that, that's how I do mine. So yeah, my edges ain't really laid in this video, but it is what it is. Okay, so the second thing that I use for my puffs, a small headband just like this. Works really good for me, and I don't have any problems with it. So I just do it from the front this time. And just roll it up to where you want it to be or how big you want it to be. And that's it. I don't have to put it around twice or anything. My puff is a little bit smaller, but that's fine with me. So the next thing I use if I don't have any headbands or anything is a shoelace. And you can literally just put it wherever you want your puff to go. So I'm just gonna bring mine up, tie it in the front. So I got one of my shoelaces that's kind of smaller than the usual, but whatever. And so I guess I want it to go right there. And I'm just gonna make another knot, not a bow, but a knot. And the only thing with this, just make sure you don't get your hair caught. And then I just tuck the ends of the shoelace up into my puff. And that's it. And I look like Frankenstein. Anyways, if you don't have any of these things to do a high puff, another thing that I use is actually ribbon. So I'm taking a lot. So I cut about this much. This may be too long, but I just want to be sure. And you're basically just doing the same thing that you've done before. Just like the shoelace. So I want my puff to be right there. So I'm just gonna tie it in the back. And I just double knotted it and tucked in the ends. And you have another high puff. And lastly, so this, I don't do this as much, but it does work. So I use bobby pins. And you're basically just putting the bobby pins in a circle around your puff. Well, where you want your puff to be. So I'm just gonna put one right here. And that's all you're doing is just slicking your hair back and putting the bobby pin where you want it to go. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. And you have a high puff. Now it's not the best high puff, but nonetheless, it's a high puff. I'm feeling her, so I'm wanting. All right, y'all, so that's basically it. I hope this video helped. Let me know the different things that you use to make your high puffs. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on the next video.